Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to look at a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two streaming service platform, which is Philo and Sling TV. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Philo is a budget-friendly streaming option that focuses on entertainment and the lifestyle channel. It offers over 70 channel, unlimited DVR, and a clean interface, perfect for those who don't care about sport or local news. The price is low and the experience is smooth, but the lack of major network can be a deal breaker for some viewers. Sling TV, on the other hand, gives you more control with customizable package and sport or news add-on. It ideal for viewers who want flexibility. So, however, it's pricey and can get confusing with all the add-on. So overall, Philo is best for simple entertainment, while Sling TV wins for varieties and customization. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.